The Constitution of India. Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Welcome back to the physics class. Hope you all are fine. Try to watch the class on the same day and study well. Okay? So now back to our class. What all things we have learned in the previous class? We discussed about mutual induction, step-up transformer, step-down transformer and some formulas based on that. Right? Today we will be doing some problems based on that. So are you ready to do the problems? Yes. Write down the first question. NP is equal to 500 turns. VP is equal to 10 volt. NS is equal to 2500. You have to find out Vs. What does NP represent? NP is the number of turns in the primary. So how many turns are here? There are 500 turns. VP represents the voltage in the primary. It is 10 volt. NS, number of turns in the secondary, is equal to 2500. You have to find out Vs. That is, you have to find out the voltage across the secondary. Tell me, what is the relation connecting voltage and number of turns? I have studied Vp by Vs is equal to Np by Ns. Isn't it? So from this we have to find out Vs. Cross multiply the terms. What happens? Vp into Ns is equal to Np into Vs. Okay, so here formula പഠിച്ചു വെക്കുക. We are cross multiplying it. From this we have to find out Vs. അല്ലേ? Vs ആണ് നമുക്ക് കാണേണ്ടത്. അപ്പോൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്താൽ മതി? Vs ന്റെ കൂടെയുള്ള ടേം ഏതാ? Np. Isn't it? So this Np, when you are bringing to this side, it becomes division. Isn't it? So we can write Vp Ns by Np is equal to Vs. So now what do you have to do? We have to substitute the values. So Vp, how much is Vp? 10. 10 into Ns. Ns is the number of turns in the secondary. It is given 2500. 2500 divided by how much is Np? 500. Cancel the zeros. Then 5, 2. What is 25 into 2? 50. We are calculating what? Secondary voltage. What is the unit of voltage? V. So the answer is 50 volt. Is it clear? So study this formula. Then what we have done? We have cross multiplied it and we have found out Vs is equal to Vp Ns by Np. Substitute the values. You get the answer as 50 volt. Is it clear? Second question. See here. Vp is equal to 100 volt. Ns is equal to 800. Vs 25 volt. Np you have to find out. Okay, again we are writing the relationship between voltage and number of turns. By Ns is equal to Vp by Vs. Okay, from this you have to find out Np. So how can you write? Again, Np into Vs is equal to, cross multiply, Vp into Ns. So from this we can find out NP. Tell me the formula for NP. NP ആണ് നമ്മൾ കാണുന്നത്. So along with NP, what is the term? VS. So we have to bring this VS to this side. So NP is equal to VP NS divided by VS. So how much is VP here? VP is equal to 100. 100 into NS. How many turns are there in the secondary? 800. 800 divided by how much is voltage across the secondary? 25. Okay, so what is 100 divided by 25? 4. 4 into 800. 8 4s are 32. So 3200. So how much is the number of turns in the primary? How much is the number of turns in the primary? It is 3200. The third question. See here, a transformer working on a 240 volt AC supplies a voltage of 8 volt to an electric bell in the circuit. The number of turns in the primary coil is 4800. Calculate the number of turns in the secondary. Okay, so whenever you get a problem, read the question 1 or 2 times and write down what all things are given in that question. Okay, so see here, a transformer working on a 240 volt AC. So what is this 240 volt AC? That is, we are giving that voltage, isn't it? So what will you call that voltage? Primary voltage, isn't it? So we can write VP is equal to 240 volt. Is it clear? Supplies a voltage of 8 volt to an electric bell in the circuit. So where this electric bell will be connected? It will be in the secondary. അല്ലേ, നമ്മൾ മ്യൂച്വൽ ഇൻഡക്ഷനിൽ കണ്ടു ബൾബൊക്കെ നമ്മൾ എവിടെയായിരുന്നു കണക്ട് ചെയ്തിരുന്നത്? സെക്കൻഡറിയിലാണ്. സോ how much voltage is given to the electric bell? It is 8 volt. Okay, so what will be this 8 volt? It is the voltage across the secondary. So Vs is equal to 8 volt. Then what is given? The number of turns in the primary coil is 4800. That is, Np is equal to 4800. Calculate Ns. You have to calculate Ns. Okay, so here how will you do the problem? Here again we are using the formula connecting voltage and number of turns. Okay, so we can write Np by Ns is equal to Vp by Vs. In this you have to find out Ns. So cross multiply the terms. Np Vs is equal to Vp Ns. Therefore Ns is equal to Ns avada nirtha adinte koodulla term ne opposite side lote konduvara. Okay, so Np Vs divided by Vp. Okay, so we can substitute the values, which is equal to, how much is Np here? See, how much is Np? 4800. That is 4800 into Vs. How much is Vs? 8. 8 divided by Vp. What is the voltage across the primary? 240. 240. So 0 and 0 get cancelled. 8 we can cancel. 8 3s are 24. So 480 divided by 3. How much is 480 divided by 3? It is 160. Okay, so the number of turns in the secondary is 160. Is it clear? So whenever you get a question, read the question thoroughly and write down the values given in that question, substitute in the formula. Okay, so you have to copy all these questions to your file. Okay, now shall we do one more question? Now the fourth question. The input voltage of a transformer is 240 volt AC. There are 80 turns in the secondary coil and 800 turns in the primary. What is the output voltage? Okay, from this question itself, when you read the question itself, you can understand whether it is step-up transformer or step-down transformer. How can you understand that? Just see here. There are 80 turns in the secondary. So the number of turns in the secondary is 80 and the number of turns in the primary is 800. Okay, so number of turns is more in which coil? Is in the primary or secondary? Primary. Isn't it? So when the number of turns increases, what happens to voltage? Voltage in the primary is more and voltage in the secondary is less. So it is which type of transformer? Step down transformer. Number of turns secondary il koravana. But number of turns koravana nundengil avaduthe voltage koravayirikkum. Alle appo edu transformer aanadu? Step down transformer. When you see the question itself, you can understand whether it is step up or step down transformer. Okay. Now tell me what all terms are given in that question. The input voltage of a transformer is 240 volt AC. That is Vp is equal to 240 volt. Okay, Vp is equal to 240. There are 80 turns in the secondary. That is Ns is equal to 80. And 800 turns in the primary. Np is equal to 800. What is the output voltage? That is, what is the secondary voltage? Vs. You have to find out. Again, the relation between number of turns and voltage. Np by Ns is equal to Vp by Vs. Here we have to find out Vs, isn't it? Np cross multiply. Npvs is equal to Vpns. That is Vs is equal to Vs nulla term avada nirtha. Koodaladhu edha? Np. Bring that Np to that side. That is Vpns divided by Np. Okay, so now we can substitute the values. So Vs is equal to, how much is Vp? Vp is 240. 240 into Ns, number of turns in the secondary, 80. 240 into 80 by Np, number of turns in the primary, it is 800. 800. Cancel the zeros. 8 and 8 get cancelled, isn't it? So what is remaining? 24 volt. See here, voltage in the primary is 240, voltage in the secondary is 24. So the voltage has decreased. That shows it is a step down transformer. It's very easy to solve the problems, isn't it? So now the last question. Okay, see the question. In a transformer, without any loss in power, there are 5000 turns in primary and 250 turns in secondary. The primary voltage is 120 volt and primary current is 0.1 ampere. Find voltage across the secondary and current across the secondary. Okay, so now we can write the values given in that question. In a transformer without any loss in power, there are 5000 turns in the primary. So Np is equal to 5000. Okay, and 250 turns in secondary. Ns is equal to 250. The primary voltage is 120 volt, primary voltage. So Vp is equal to 120 volt. And primary current. How will you represent primary current? Ip. Ip is equal to how much? 0.1 ampere. Find Vs and Is. So you have to find out Vs and Is. Okay. So first we can find out Vs. So tell me, what is the relation connecting voltage and number of turns? Np by Ns is equal to Vp by Vs. So you have to find out Vs. That is, Vs is equal to Vp Ns divided by Np. So study the formulas thoroughly. Okay, substitute here. What is Vp? How much is Vp here? 120. So 120 into number of turns in the secondary, 250. So 120 into 250 divided by Np. How much is Np? 5000. So cancel the zeros. 25 and 50 you can cancel, isn't it? That is 2. So what is 12 divided by 2? Which is equal to 6 volt. So you got the secondary voltage as 6 volt. Is it clear? Now, what is the second thing we have to find out? You have to find out the current in the secondary. So already we have found out the formula connecting voltage and current. We know the formula connecting voltage and current. What is that? Vp by Vs is equal to Is by Ip. ഞാൻ കഴിഞ്ഞ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു ഫോർമുല എഴുതുന്ന സമയത്ത് കറണ്ട് വരുന്ന സമയത്ത് if it is P here it will be S. Okay, till this time we have written Np by Ns is equal to Vp by Vs. But here when you are writing in terms of current, Vp by Vs is equal to Is by Ip. Okay, so always keep that thing in your mind. Now you have to find out Is, current in the secondary. Okay, cross multiply. Vp Ip is equal to Is Vs. We have to find out Is. So Is is equal to, what is here? Vp Ip divided by, Is ന്റെ കൂടെ ഉള്ളത് Vs divided by Vs. So how much is Vp? We already got Vp as 120 volt. So 120 into Ip. What is the primary current? Ip is equal to 0.1. 0.1 by Vs. How much is Vs? 6. 6. So we can cancel it. 20. 20 into 0.1. What is 20 into 0.1? 2. The unit of current is ampere. So you got the current in the secondary as 2 ampere. Is it clear? So while doing or while finding out the current, the formula, while writing the formula, you have to be careful. Okay. So the voltage or across the secondary is 6 volt and the current across the secondary is 2 ampere. Now it's the homework for you. Hope you all understood how to solve the problems using the formulas. Now write all these problems in your file and do the homework. While doing, if you have any doubts, you can contact me. See you in the next class with a new topic.